Okay, gentlemen, is the screen visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
I proceed. So we have covered all the mathematical operations, how to multiply a matrix with a scalar number, how to add the two matrices, how to subtract the two matrices, how to multiply the two matrices, and their prerequisite I had been telling you again and again. And you cannot divide the two matrices, remember, forever. And now I proceed further. I have given some questions for you to do a practice. Now, some steps I have written here. Observation regarding the inverse of the matrix. Quickly, for a matrix A to have an inverse, it must be a square matrix. Remember, for a rectangular matrix with dimension say 2 by 3, या 5 by 9, या 2 by 7, या 2 by 6, if the dimension is different other than a square matrix, you cannot find the inverse of that matrix. This is the one condition. Condition number one. So the matrix must be square. Number two, the matrix should not be the singular matrix. I told you its determinant should not come equal to 0. अगर मैट्रिक्स स्क्वायर है लेकिन इसका डिटरमिनेंट खोलने के बाद आंसर 0 आ रहा है, still inverse is not possible. And in the third case, the property for the inverse is that if we have calculated our inverse of the matrix A, and if we multiply A with A inverse or A inverse with A, in both the cases, answer will come equal to the identity matrix of the same order. So keep in mind these observations. Inverse can be found by two different methods. The first method I'm using today, that is by adjoint matrix method. And then you will study by another method, that is the Cramer's rule, that I'll teach you later on. Now again, we have a matrix of order 2 by 2 and a matrix of order 3 by 3. I think these two are there in your course. So study to find the inverse of these matrices of these orders. I'm taking the first example of order 2 by 2. Let this is matrix A minus 1, 3 and 2 minus 4. The adjoint in case of 2 by 2 matrix is obtained by interchanging the position of the elements at A11 and A22. ये जो A11 position पे है, in this case is element -1 and the element at A22 position is -4. So just interchange. So -4 will become at this place and -1 will come at 22 position. One thing, and just interchange the sign of the remaining elements. माइनस है तो प्लस कर दीजिए, प्लस है तो माइनस कर दीजिए. So that I am doing here. फिर इंटरचेंज किए इन दोनों को और इन दोनों के साथ माइनस लगा दिया. This is, gentlemen, the adjoint of matrix 2. That you can do only in case of matrix 2. This method you cannot apply for a matrix of order 3. Okay. वहाँ पे और तरीका है, that I'll let you know. Now we evaluate the value of the determinant of A. Just make determinant A. You replace the vertical bars by these. इसको हटा दीजिए brackets को and brackets will be replaced by the vertical bars. तो ये determinant बन गया. अच्छा, अब ये matrix नहीं है. Now you can evaluate. Multiply -1 with -4, and I told you the position sign of 3 is minus. So -3 into 2 will be -6. This will become +4 -6. Answer is coming to be -4. Once you find adjoint of A and the determinant of A, use this formula. This is a formula for finding the inverse, that A inverse is equal to 1 upon the determinant of A into adjoint of A. So 1 upon determinant of A is -2 and adjoint of A is this value adjoint of A is this one, -4, -3, -2, -2. Write down here. And then you multiply -1 by 2 inside. इसको अंदर multiply कर दो. So minus minus will be cancelled. 4 by 2 answer will be 2. Similarly, multiply here, minus minus will be cancelled. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 can be written as 1.5 or just let it be as 3 by 2. Minus 2 divided by minus 2 will become 1. And minus 1 divided by minus 2 will become 1 by 2, that is 0.5. This is the answer. That is the inverse of A. Now we want to see whether this answer is correct or wrong. The criterion is that you multiply A with A inverse. So this was your matrix A. And A inverse you have found here, still in front of you on the screen. Multiply these two. I have told you how to multiply. Take the first row of the first matrix and multiply with the first column of the second matrix. Minus 1 will be multiplied with 2 and 3 will be multiplied with 1. Then minus 1 will be multiplied with 1.5 and 3 will be multiplied with 0.5. I am writing here after multiplication. 3 into 0.5 will be 1.5. Then take the second row, multiply 2 to the 4 and minus 4. Then 2 into 1.5 is 3 and minus 4 into 0.5 is 2 minus 2. And in the end, we are getting an identity matrix 1001 of order 2. अगर ये हमारा आंसर आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स नहीं आता तो फिर इसका मतलब होता कि हमारा A इनवर्स गलत है. But luckily we have got the product of A into A inverse. Once this is equal to I, it means our A inverse is correct. So this is the A inverse. Done. Now I'm taking the matrix of order 3. Inverse of a matrix, adjoint method. Find the inverse of the following matrix by adjoint method. देखिए एक मैट्रिक्स अब आपके पास ऑर्डर 3 की आ गई, इसको जरा ध्यान में अच्छी तरह रखिएगा. First find the minor determinant of each element. यहाँ पे 9 elements आप देख रहे हैं in the matrix. So you'll be finding the minor determinants of each element. देखिए कैसे लिख लेंगे. पहले element के लिए लिखे पहले -1 and 1 plus 1. This will be calculating the positional sign. Okay. यानी A11 element in the first row first column. आप कैसे लिखेंगे. -1 के पावर में लिख दें, इन दोनों को ऐड कर दें 1 plus 1. And then delete the first row and delete the first column and remaining elements you write down. They are -1, 1, 3, 4. Okay. -1 की ये पावर 2 हो जाएगी और इसको इवैल्यूएट करें -4 और यहाँ पे फिर माइनस साइन है, भूलिएगा नहीं, -3 तो -7. The square of -1 will become plus. Addition of negative values will be -7. So the net answer आपका आ गया -7. This is the value of A11. Keep on finding all the minor determinants. A12 कैसे निकलेगा. -1 लिखेंगे और 1 plus 2 कर देंगे इसकी पावर में. ये जो नीचे लिखा आपने 1. Then delete the first row and the second column. First row गई, second column गया. The elements are 2, 1 and 2, 4. 2, 1, 2. If -1 is having an odd power, it will remain minus. And you know how to evaluate it. Limit of order 2, answer is coming to be 6 inside, so -6. Don't commit a mistake of minus or plus sign. Be careful. Don't be in a casual style. A13. So -1 power 1 plus 3. Then first 2 and the third column delete. The remaining elements are 2, -1 and 2, 3. -1 पावर 4. जब पावर इवन होती है माइनस की तो ये प्लस हो जाता है. जब पावर ऑड होती है it remains minus. So this will become plus in this case. 6 plus 2 is 8. Answer is 8. A21. -1 power 2 plus 1. Then the second row and the first column delete. Second row and the first column. The remaining element will be 1, 1 and 3, 4. Right now. -1 is having an odd power. It will remain minus. 4 minus 3 is 1. Answer is -1. A22 in the same way. Power is having 2 plus 2 plus बन जाएगा ये and here 4 minus 2 answer is 2. A23 minus 1 power 2, 3. Second row and the third column delete and the remaining elements to write down. So I'm sure you can find all the minor determinants and you have now found the 9 values. अब देखिए, you'll be writing a cofactor matrix of A. हमें हालांकि चाहिए adjoint of A, लेकिन adjoint हम बाद में निकालेंगे, पहले हम क्या निकालेंगे? Cofactor of matrix. The value will be written as A11, A12, A13. You know, first row है, the second column है, third column है. Similarly, A21 second row first column, A22 second row second column, A23 second row third column. Similarly, the third row. And put all the values you have already calculated here. Okay. So at A11 we found -7, A12 -6, A13 was 8, and then getting this matrix, which we call it the cofactor of A. I have just taught you how to take the transpose. We interchange the rows into columns, then the new matrix will become the transpose. तो अब इस cofactor का transpose लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा adjoint of A. याद रखिएगा. So how do we get the adjoint of A? By taking the transpose of cofactor of A. So this was cofactor matrix of A. Now, अब हम निकाल रहे हैं adjoint of A. Adjoint matrix कैसे निकलेगी? Transpose of cofactor of A. First row you interchange as first column. So -7, -6, 8 will become the first column. Second row is -2, 1, -1, make it the second column. Third row is 2, 1, -3, make it the third column. This matrix is called the adjoint of it. You also need to find the value of the determinant of A. See here, I am telling you a new formula. Determinant of A can be calculated by this formula. A11, A capital 1, A small 1, 2, capital A1, A small 1, 3, A12. What are A11, A12, A13? These are the elements in the first row. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. देखिए, आपकी गिवन मैट्रिक्स में ये है, ये सारे इत्तेफाक से A11 भी 1 है, A12 भी 1 है और A13 भी 1 है. All these elements are 1. Luckily. और कैपिटल A11 that was -7 यहाँ रख लिया. Capital A12 that was -6 यहाँ रख लिया. Capital A13 was 8 यहाँ रख दिया. And small A11, A12, A3, I told you they are all 1. So the values like the, then simplify. You are getting the answer as -5. The determinant of A is -5. How will you find the A inverse? A inverse के लिए याद रखिएगा. The formula is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So 1 over determinant of A is 1 over -5. Adjoint of A is this matrix. Adjoint of A is this. So -1 over 5 into this one. इसको 1 over -5 से अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो सबके नीचे 5 आ जाएगा और माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करते जाए. So +7/5 +1/5 and this will become -2 over 5. This will become 6 over 5, 2/5 minus के साथ और ये माइनस के साथ 1/5. -8/5 +1/5 or +3/5. So gentlemen, this is your A inverse. And if I ask you that verify your answer, तो आप क्या करोगे? That you will multiply A inverse with A. या A पहले लिखना है. A को A inverse से multiply करना है या A inverse को A से multiply करना है. In both the cases, your answer should come to be an identity matrix of order 3 in this case. एक छोटा सा concept दे रहा हूं आपको. How to solve the system of linear equations by matrix inversion method. देखिए यहाँ पे matrix inversion method use हो रहा है. अब फिर दोबारा system of linear equation आ गया. That I told you, There are many methods. This is one of the methods I'm following here. Look, that you had been studying in your intermediate. This is a system of linear equations for 2x plus 5 equal to 2, 2x plus 6 equal to 4. So write the given system in the matrix notation as. पहले इसकी matrix notation बनाइए तो matrix A बना ले 2 5 2 6, the coefficient matrix, then the variable matrix xy आ जाएगा equal to ये pure constant terms की एक matrix आ गई. Symbolically we attach the symbols as coefficient matrix को A कह दिया, variable matrix को x कह दिया और constant matrix को B कह दिया. So AX equal to B, where A is this matrix, X is XY matrix, and B is 4 to 2 4 matrix. Now from this equation, if you are actually interested in only X, जिसका मतलब है XY, so you want to find X, so A को हम इधर divide नहीं करेंगे, B divided by A, you do not write. I told you the division of the two matrices is not possible. So once you wish to bring A to this side, you will be writing A inverse B. So X will be equal to A inverse B, will be the solution. So we want to find inverse of this matrix of order 2. It's very easy, I told you. चलिए देखिए यहाँ पे कैसे ले रहे हैं. ये मैट्रिक्स ये आपके सामने है. इसका इनवर्स निकालने के लिए आपको एडजॉइंट चाहिए और डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए चाहिए. Adjoint, I told you that interchange the position of one element with two element. इसको interchange किया, 6 will become here and 2 will go there. And with the remaining elements attach a minus sign. Minus से multiply कर दें, ये आ गया. So this is adjoint of A. Now we want to find the value of determinant of A. Instead of matrices, you write in the form of determinant and evaluate 2 6 or 12 or minus position यहाँ पे है, minus 5 to the 10, answer is 2. The value of the determinant A is 2 and this is adjoint of A. How do you find the inverse? The formula is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Multiply these two. So 1 upon determinant of A is 2, 1 upon 2 into adjoint of A is this one, 6 minus 5 minus 2 and 2. And what you 1 by 2 से अंदर multiply कीजिए, this will become 3 minus 5 by 2, this will become minus 1 and this will become 1. Gentlemen, this is the A inverse, but this is not the answer. हमारा अभी यहाँ पे टारगेट क्या है, x की वैल्यूज को निकालना. So substitute this value of A inverse where in equation number 1. So equation 1 will become, देखिए ये आपकी इक्वेशन, so x is now xy, A inverse is this matrix right here, and B matrix you know is 2 and 4. So B matrix. Now multiply right side पे दो matrices हैं, इन दोनों को multiply. Row with the column. So 3 to the 6 and minus 5 by 2 multiplied with 4 will be minus 10. Okay. Then second row with the first column, minus 2 plus 4 and simplify. This will become minus 4 and this will become plus 2. तो यहाँ पे क्या था xy, तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट फर्स्ट के बराबर होगा और सेकंड के बराबर होगा. The first element x is minus 4 and the second element y is equal to 2. So gentlemen, this is the answer. You can verify whether you have got the correct answer. Just put minus 4 and 2 in any of the equations. इसको minus 4 रख दें, इसको 2 रख दें. minus 4 रखेंगे minus 8 आ जाएगा, इसको 2 रखेंगे 10 आ जाएगा. minus 8 plus 10, क्या आंसर आया 2. 2 is equal to right side. So verified. Answer is correct. ये तो ऑर्डर 2 की थी एक सिस्टम, अब ऑर्डर 3 का एक सिस्टम ले रहा हूँ, देखिए आपके सामने. Solve the following system of linear equations by matrix inversion method. ये आपके सामने लिखा हुआ एक मैट्रिक्स का सिस्टम और इसमें आप देख रहे हैं इक्वेशंस आर रिटन इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. इसको मैट्रिक्स नोटेशन में कैसे लिखेंगे, पहले आप तक कोएफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स बना लें. 1 2 2 1 minus 1 3 1 1 4 and multiplied with the variables are x y z. एंड ऑन द राइट साइड राइट मैट्रिक्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टेंट्स। ठीक है, इसको आप ए कर लेते हैं, कोएफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स को, वेरिएबल को एक्स कह लेते हैं और कांस्टेंट मैट्रिक्स को बी कह लेते हैं। तो ए एक्स इज इक्वल टू बी, वेयर A is coefficient matrix, this one, X is the variable matrix, this one, and B is the constant matrix, this one. How can we solve this AX equal to B? X can be found by bringing A to this side, that will become A inverse into B. One, question one. हमें A inverse चाहिए ना पहले। अब क्या अच्छी बात है, यहाँ पे जो A आ रहा है कि वही है जो हमने पैरा 8 में निकाला हुआ है। At para 8 we have already found the inverse of A, वरना आपको निकालना पड़ेगा ये तो मैं आपको शॉर्टकट इत्तेफाक है, माय गुड लक और योर गुड। देखिए पैरा 8 में हमने इस मैट्रिक्स का इन्वर्स निकाला था ऑर्डर 3 का, ये है आपका पैरा 8। ठीक है, और ये जो मैट्रिक्स है ये वही है जो हमारी कोएफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स है, वहां पे भी हमारी ये है, चेक कर लो। पहला है 1 1 1, 2 -1 1, 2 3 4। देखें हमारे पास यही है, ये ना, ये देखो 1 1 1, 2 -1 1 और 2 3 4। ठीक है, और इसका इन्वर्स क्योंकि हम पहले निकाल चुके हैं, आई एम यूजिंग दैट एडवांटेज। तो ए इनवर्स हमारे पास है ये, दिस इज द इनवर्स वी कैलकुलेटेड, उस पैरा 8 के अंदर आपने कैलकुलेट किया हुआ है। तो डायरेक्टली आई एम सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग दी वैल्यूज। एक्स की वैल्यू होती है एक्स वाई जेड, ए इनवर्स इज दिस, बी इज योर कांस्टेंट, ये आपके सामने 294। जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई दिस टू। अब दो मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना आना चाहिए, फर्स्ट रो को इस कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो 7/5 मल्टीप्लाई विद 2 प्लस 1/5 मल्टीप्लाइड विद 9 प्लस -2/5 into 4. Similarly second row with this column, then third row with this column, तो सारा लिखा, फिर इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर 2 7 14/5 हो जाएगा, 9/5 हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 8 -8/5। ओके, similarly you should multiply this to 8/5 -18/5 -4/5, 16/5 minus 9/5 or 12/5. Then simplifying, what will be adding, you'll be getting 15/5 minus 10/5 and 5/5. Further simplifying, the answer is coming 3 minus 2 1. X की वैल्यू हो गई 3, Y की वैल्यू हो गई -2 और Z की वैल्यू हो गई 1। Any question from anybody? Gentlemen, this is, we have solved a system of linear equations with 3 variables by matrix inversion method. And I have given you some questions to solve for the practice. इसके अलावा और भी मिल जाएंगे आपको। ये देखिए, ये इन्वर्स निकालने का तरीका सीखिए, और उसके बाद आई विल सेंड यू, और आपने जो क्रैमर्स रूल में सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस मैंने दी थी, वो आप वहां से सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन लीजिए and do them with the matrix inversion method. Now gentlemen, your time to start your quiz of देखें